There are a number of ways to control how Connectr workflows are run. They can be triggered manually. They can be set to run regularly, every hour or every day, for example, or it is possible to control workflows directly from the Axle interface. To enable this direct control, an admin must firstly go to Connectr, open the Preferences window and enable the REST HTTP server checkbox, and make a note of the port being used. This port can of course be changed if required. Then in the Axle Advanced admin pages, there is an area where the details and port information for Connectr should be entered. The IP address of the Connectr system must be entered here, along with the port being used and the words /web API. In this case, Connectr is on the same platform as Axle. In most cases, Connectr will be on a separate server. So we have entered the local IP address :8080, which we saw in Connectr, /web API. Now click Save. The next setting required is to allow the Axle user to run workflows in Connectr. This is done in the user's admin page near the bottom of the page. I will select a user and then make sure the Can Submit to Connectr is checked. Please remember to click Save to update the user settings. Going back to the Standard User tab and selecting a file, we will now see Send to Connectr is in the Action menu. Selecting this item will then show all the workflows available in the current active project. In this case, Workflow 1. By going back to Connectr and opening another project, and then going back to Axle, to see the new projects we must refresh the browser. Once more, by selecting a file and then going to the Action menu, we will see Submit to Connectr and we'll see the new workflows.